Now, Jamaica will compete in 3 sled events at the 2026 Winter Olympic Games, which get underway next month in Milano Cortina, Italy. As Christopher Scott reports, President of the Jamaica Bobsleigh and Skeleton Federation, Dr. Christian Stokes, is not surprised by their achievement.
For the second time in the nation's history, Jamaica has qualified 3 teams for the Winter Olympics, repeating the milestone achieved at the 2022 Beijing Games. The International Bobsleigh and Skeleton Federation IBSF have confirmed that Jamaica secured quota spots in the 4-man and 2-man bobsleigh events, as well as the women's monobob. Dr. Stokes says the qualification is a testament to the consistent effort and commitment of the athletes and support staff.
We started out not knowing how good we were. Found out midway through the season that we had a very good team, so good to the point where by the end of the season, the last race of the season, we were ranked 12th in the world and were not allowed to compete on the North American Cup circuit, which is where we decided to compete. It's next door, it's more cost effective. We were not sure exactly how good we were. We would not have guessed that we would have been one of the elite teams in the world already. Our pilot, Shane Pitter, has only been driving 3 years, so that took us a little bit by surprise.
The qualified sleds are women's monomob featuring Mika Moore, 2-man bobsleigh piloted by Shane Pitter with crew members Nimroy Turgot, Joel Ferrer and Junior Harris, and the 4-man bobsleigh team led by Pitter alongside Andre Dacres, Junior Harris, Taekwondo Tracy and Joel Ferrer. Dr. Stokes is also confident the Jamaican contingent will perform well in Milano Cortina.
We understand and are very clear that we have a team that can do very, very well at the Olympics itself, which is what we're focused on, and also setting the stage for a medal run over the next 3 Olympic Games. So that's where our focus is.
The Federation president also revealed that Jamaica could yet be included in another event depending on final quota adjustments.
We're 1 spot out of the 2 women, so if a country drops out or doesn't accept the quota, then we'll be next in line, so we have to wait to see what happens there.
And with the country preparing for its 10th appearance at the Winter Olympics, President of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Christopher Samuda, says he's confident that the athletes will represent the island with distinction.
A stellar achievement, a stellar accomplishment by any definition, which we now pray will translate into medal performances this year and beyond that will exemplify the description track and field has earned for our country, the sprint factory of the world.
The 2026 Winter Olympic Games will run from February 6 to 22 in Milano Cortina in Italy. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.